Hello and welcome to the Rough Lifts YouTube channel. Here I will be doing workout vlogs as well as discussing living with type 1 diabetes and how exercise and diet affects that. I've been type 1 diabetic for over 25 years, so if my commentary will help anyone, please feel free to subscribe or ask any questions. In the meantime, as a little channel introduction, I'm going to give a bit of a home gym tour. So as you can see behind me, my home gym is quite small, but it's very versatile in all the different exercises that I can do here. So let me show you around, and if you're interested, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Alright, to start out, here is my lone piece of cardio equipment. It is just a cheap little fold-up bike that I bought on Amazon during the pandemic to do some exercises while the gym was closed. But yeah, this has served me pretty well. It lets me get in a good little warm-up before I do any strength training. Moving on, this is the main piece of equipment. This is the Bells of Steel cable towers. I have two of the cable towers put together via a pull-up bar here. This is very, very versatile. It's a cable system, so I can position the handles at any height that I want and do a whole variety of exercises and attach all sorts of different equipment to attachments and equipment, do all sorts of different exercises. So this is great. It is a plate loaded system. There is a little piece where you can put the weight plates on either side. It is also a 2 to 1 pulley ratio. So if you just use one handle at a time, you will only get half the weight of what it is that you're lifting. So if you put or if you connect both handles together, you get the full weight. So it's great. Moving on to the bench, we just got this bench recently. We had a cheap, flimsy little Amazon bench that weighed about 10 pounds. It would literally move if I were to try and do cable chest press with it. This bench is much more sturdy, has some leg sort of stabilizers there. There is options to buy preacher curl machine or attachments and leg curl attachments, but we'll see in the future. Right now this works pretty well. We can, oops, sorry about that. We can adjust it into all sorts of positions. And it weighs about 45 pounds, so we do not have to worry about getting pushed around on this thing. One other thing about this cable tower system is that it also doubles as a squat rack or bench press. So we have some J-cups that we can put through any of these holes, and we can do our squats, we can do our barbell rows, bench press. So it is really great. We also have, from Bells of Steel, the spotter arms that go along with this system. So just for added safety when we're working out by ourselves. If my wife is around, I'll ask her to spot me and vice versa. But for the times that she's not, I'll put that there just so I'm not stuck under a bar in case something fails. Here is just some miscellaneous light dumbbells, a kettlebell, the spotter arms, as well as some foam rollers and some storage where we keep all of our attachments for the cable system. We have just individual handles. We have a close grip rowing attachment. We really want to get a good lat pull down attachment in the near future, but for now we make do with what we have. Here is our plate storage, just kind of neatly tucked away in the corner. We have our barbell safety clips right there, just stored away. We have about 300 pounds worth of weight here. It's enough for what we do at home. So it's really great. It works well with our cable system. So yeah, here is a very important part of the gym. This is our mirror. So this is very important for us to be able to check our form while we're working out, as well as checking out our pump after a nice workout. What's the point of having a home gym if you can't check yourself out after? So this is very important, and it just brightens up the area and also makes us improve our form. So very important. These are just from Amazon. We got some, they just stick on the wall. So this is very easy to set up if anyone's looking to do something similar in their own home gym. Moving on, here are our barbells. We have to come up with a better storage solution for them in the future, but we have a Olympic barbell as well as an easy curl bar. I forgot to mention that the bench and plate tree, as well as our weights and the Olympic barbell, are from a Canadian company called Northern Fitness. They've been really great, and their equipment has been really high quality, so we've been very happy with what we've purchased from them. The Easy Curl Bar is from Bells of Steel. We got that alongside our cable tower when we first got everything, so we're happy with that as well. Finally, this is kind of our back wall. We're still deciding what we want to do with it here. Probably going to put some posters, maybe an Arnold poster for inspiration, as well as a little whiteboard where we're going to kind of put a cheat sheet for all of our cable exercises, what position that we want to keep the handles at, just so we don't have to worry about it as we're doing it. So yeah. So that was just a quick little tour of our home gym. One of the first videos I've ever filmed, so apologies if it was a little rough around the edges. I'm hoping to improve as time goes on, so hopefully if anyone found this interesting, wants to stick around for future workout vlogs or talks about lifestyle and diet, please feel free to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, have a great day. Take care.